using a threading machine.
You will need Teflon tape, electric pipe threading machine, thread sealant or gasket maker, GI pipe and fittings, and clean rags. To start, determine the size of the GI pipe.
Check if the machine is working, clean, and has oil in it. Position and lock the pipe in the cartridge. Make sure that the pipe is centered in the roller of the pipe cutter. Turn on the machine and rotate it slowly until the pipe is cut. Use a pipe reamer to clean the GI pipe. Position the pipe in the machine. Make sure that the machine is on and the pipe threader is closed before positioning the pipe. The machine will automatically thread the pipe. Wait until it reaches the border of the dies. Once threading is done, open the threader handle and release the drive handle. Turn off and loosen up the lock of the machine and wipe the excess oil. Finally, wipe the excess oil on the GI pipe. Or screwed pipe connection.
You will need Teflon tape, electric pipe threading machine, thread sealant or gasket maker, GI pipe and fittings, and clean rags.
First, get your threaded GI pipe. Make sure that the threads are clean. Tighten the pipe onto the pipe vise. Trial fit the fittings manually by rotating it 3 to 4 rotations to make sure you have reached the standard threads. Wrap the Teflon tape in the same direction as the thread spiral. Use a wrench to tighten the fitting onto the pipe. If necessary, use a gasket maker or paint and apply it in an even coat to